Hello everyone, if you're trying to play 007 First Light and you keep getting this error, sorry something went wrong and you're getting a link like this, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on 007 First Light easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on 007 First Light, go into properties, install files and then click verify entire video game files here. After you do that, now what you're going to do is you're going to close this up, you're going to go to your Steam settings and here you're going to go into downloads. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on to clear cache on clear download cache. After that it will sign you out from Steam. Now you're going to have to sign into your account again. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your 007 First Lights games folder. The default location should be in your C drive. From file A6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then 007 First Light. Right click on the 007 First Light exe, click properties, compatibility, click on to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now when you try to play 007 First Light, you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face that problem anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.